Most women don't know their true housing cost, so let's calculate yours this Sunday. Your true monthly housing cost is comprised of your mortgage or your rent payment, right? Your property taxes divided by 12. So also homeowners insurance divided by 12. And your utility bill on average. Maintenance and repairs divided by 12. Any transportation costs, your car, your gas, your maintenance. Healthcare access costs, yeah. Add them up. Is it more than 30% of your income? If yes, it might be time for a housing strategy session. If no, you're in great shape, but you might optimize further. We'll see. Knowledge is power. You can't improve on what you don't measure. So what's your true housing cost percentage? I'm Deborah Morrison of We Can Do It Women. I'd love for you to share that below, and let's help each other strategize smarter housing solutions, shall we?